Minasan, konnichiwa, watashi wa Hannah desu. Hello everyone, I'm Hannah and this is Postcards to Texas, and I'm going to be talking about how to count from 100 to 90,000 in Japanese. We have a surprise for you at the end of the video, so please stay tuned and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to talk about like the words you need to know for knowing the numbers. So we have 100, 1,000, and 10,000. They'll all use these like roots, I guess, for the words that you'll be learning. Alright, so we have 100 is hayaku, hayaku. 1,000 is sen, sen, sen. And 1,000 is man, man. So like, you would say like a number and then hayaku, a number then sen, a number then man to figure out the words and stuff. So yeah. Alright, so we have hayaku, ni hayaku, sen hayaku, yon hayaku, go hayaku, ro hayaku, nana hayaku, hap hayaku, kyu hayaku. So 8, 3, and 6 don't have the same beginning sound, so you're gonna have to learn those. It's just the way it is. So yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna do the thousands. Alright. So let's see here. 1,000 is sen. Remember? Sen. Okay. So sen is going to be in almost every single will be in every single word. So would be ni sen. And then 300 is special, and sorry, 3,000 is special. 3,000 and 8,000 are special in this one. This one is sen, zen, the Z. So then we have yon, sen, go, sen, roku, sen, nana, sen. This one is ha, sen. A little different. And 9 is you, sen. Yeah. So we have sen, ni sen, sen, zen, yon sen, go sen, roku sen, nana sen, ha sen, kyu sen. So like, this is how it's done. So this would be the first number, 7, and then 1,000. So 7 plus 1,000. So 7,000. Yeah. So each one should be like that. The special ones are kind of similar, it's just, so this is 3, and then they kind of changed the way the spelling is on this one, same with that one. So you just have to learn the weird ones, so yeah. Okay, next we're going to talk about the 10,000s and up. Alright, and then I'm going to have a little quiz at the end so I can teach you how to write the numbers in between these ones. So we have 10,000 is ichiman, 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 because ichi is 1. So it's like 1,000. Sorry, 10,000. Yeah. Like 20 is ni man. So 2 10,000. So it'd be like this. 2 and 10,000. Yeah. So number 3, like all these are the same, no special ones. 30,000 is san man. 40 is yon man. 50 is go man. 60 is roku man. 70 is nana man. 80 is hachi man. And 90 is so there are no special ones, so they're all the same. Like use the 1 through 10 or 1 through 9 to add on. So like you would go is 5 plus 10,000. 6 plus 10,000, and so on and so on, if you get what I'm saying. So for the next part, I'm gonna write some random numbers and you see if you can guess with me. Alright, so I wrote a few numbers for us to practice. So how it goes is you go number, then number, so number, then like if you're starting with 22,000, you do the number, then man, the number, then sen, then the number, then hayaku, then the number, then ju. Okay. So ju is 10. Okay. So it would be like this. So if you have like a really long number like this one, you would do the 5, 5, 2, and then 1 on the end. But in between you would say these numbers, if that makes sense. Okay. Alright, for 22,000 we would say ni, which is number 2. And we need the 10,000 one, which is man. Ni man. Man. I'll write that better. Man. Alright. And then ni man. Ni sen. So it'd be ni man is this, ni sen, and then for the zeros you don't say anything. So it's like ni man, ni sen. Alright, let's try 910. So you start with this part. So I can't hold this. Alright. So 9 is Q. Hayaku. And 10 would be Ju. That's it. Q, Hayaku, Ju. Alright, let's try this one. 66250. Alright. So 66,000 would be start here. So 6 is Roku. 9. Roku. Sen. Then 250 would be ni hayaku. And then go ju. Shit, that's a long one. Roku man, Roku sen, ni hayaku go ju. Okay. Yeah, that's a long one. 5, 5, 5, 2, 1. Alright, let's see, move it up. Alright, so for this one, the 55, so we start with this one. The 5 is go, man, go, sen, go, hayaku, ni, ju, ichi. Because ichi is one, so go, man, go, sen, go, hayaku, ni, ju, ichi. Wow, very long. Alright, let's try this one on the end. 6,000. So we don't need this. We start here at sen. So 6 is roku, sen. Then we skip the 0. So ichi, ju, ni. So ichi is 1. Ichi, ju, ni. So yeah. It's pretty simple. It's just you have to think about it a little bit. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope this is very informational. We have a free PDF down below. So, it teaches, it's going to help you with your hiragana and katakana if you want to give it a shot. So, please give this video a big like, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and